Walkie-talkies have long been recognized as more than just toy. They are instruments that foster social interaction and ignite the spirit of exploration in children. Their significance is evident whether you're embarking on a camping trip, using them as a means to maintain communication during outdoor play, or even letting siblings communicate from the confines of their rooms. The possibilities for games and imaginative scenarios are truly boundless. When considering the needs of different age groups, walkie-talkies present themselves as versatile companions. For teenagers gearing up for a camping escapade, there are advanced models that cater to their tech-savvy nature, ensuring that they remain connected even in remote locations. On the other hand, for younger siblings separated by the walls of a house, walkie-talkies offer a fun and interactive way to bridge the distance and engage in playful conversations. In this guide, each walkie-talkie selected has been chosen with care, ensuring that it aligns with the diverse needs and preferences of users across different age brackets. All product links are provided in the description below. 5. Motorola T600 Talkabout Radio. The Motorola T600 Talkabout Radio is a premier choice for those navigating challenging terrains, thanks to its robust communication capabilities. Priced for the discerning user, these walkie-talkies offer an impressive range of up to 35 miles, ensuring clear and crisp audio transmission even amidst obstacles. Designed with the demands of outdoor enthusiasts in mind, the T600 boasts a waterproof and floating design. This durability feature is further enhanced by a water-activated LED flashlight, equipped with both red and white LEDs to cater to varying lighting needs. The flashlight's red LED is particularly useful for preserving night vision during nighttime operation. Equipped with a comprehensive set of features, the T600 offers 22 channels and 121 privacy codes, ensuring secure and interference-free communication. The device also incorporates 11 weather channels with an alert feature, keeping users informed about changing weather conditions. Additional functionalities such as the push-to-talk power boost and iVox/Vox hands-free mode enhance the user experience, providing flexibility and convenience during communication. The emergency alert button remains a standout feature, emitting a loud sound to signal distress or call for assistance when needed. The package includes 2 radios, complemented by a charging cable featuring dual micro USB connectors and 2 NIMH rechargeable batteries. For added versatility, users have the option to power the walkie-talkies using 3 batteries. In summary, the Motorola T600 Talkabout Radio embodies reliability and performance, making it an indispensable tool for extreme outdoor activities. Its blend of advanced communication features, durable design, and safety enhancements positions it as a go-to choice for adventurers seeking a dependable communication solution for their expeditions. 4. GOCOM G600 FRS two-way radios. The GOCOM G600 FRS two-way radios emerge as a reliable communication solution for those seeking enhanced functionalities beyond basic walkie-talkie features. Priced for users prioritizing performance, these walkie-talkies offer an expansive range of up to 32 miles, making them suitable for various outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, and boating. One of the standout features of the GOCOM G600 is its comprehensive set of accessories, including 6 rechargeable batteries, a charging base and cable, and G-shaped headphones with built-in microphones. This package ensures users have all the necessary components for extended use during their adventures. Designed for durability and performance, the walkie-talkies are waterproof with an IPX4 rating, ensuring reliable operation even in challenging weather conditions. The inclusion of weather channels and alerts enhances safety, providing users with timely updates on severe weather conditions. The device's communication capabilities are further bolstered by 22 channels and 121 privacy codes, offering users up to 2662 combinations to minimize interference and ensure secure communication. The Vox functionality with 3 sensitivity levels facilitates hands-free operation, promoting safety during activities such as climbing or driving. Additional features such as the battery save mode, which automatically shuts down the device after 5 seconds of silence, and the dual watch function, allowing users to monitor 2 channels simultaneously, enhance the user experience and functionality. In conclusion, the GOCOM G600 FRS two-way radios represent a comprehensive communication solution tailored for outdoor enthusiasts. Their blend of advanced features, durable design, and extensive range positions them as a dependable choice for those seeking a reliable communication tool for their outdoor pursuits. 3. Qniglo Walkie-Talkie. The Qniglo Walkie-Talkies offer a delightful blend of functionality and aesthetics, making them a standout choice for young users. With their charming design and practical features, these walkie-talkies are not only a communication tool but also a fashion accessory for kids. The kit includes lanyards and wristbands, allowing children to wear them comfortably around their necks or wrists, akin to watches. The versatile design, featuring perforated bands, ensures a universal fit and enables attachment to bicycles or scooter handles, adding a playful element to outdoor activities. In terms of performance, the Qniglo Walkie-Talkies offer 22 channels and 99 privacy codes, providing users with options to ensure secure and interference-free communication. The inclusion of an LCD screen, a lock option, and hands-free Vox functionality further enhances the user experience, promoting seamless communication. One of the distinctive features of these walkie-talkies is their ability to tune into FM radio channels, adding an entertainment dimension to their functionality. Powered by rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the devices offer up to 24 hours of talk time and 5 days of standby time on a single charge, providing extended usage during outdoor adventures. Packaged in a stylish gift box, the Qniglo Walkie-Talkies make for an attractive gift option for various occasions, including birthdays, Easter, Valentine's Day, and Christmas. The user-friendly design, complemented by a key lock feature to prevent accidental setting changes, ensures that children can operate them with ease. The Qniglo Walkie-Talkies combine aesthetic appeal with practical features, making them an ideal choice for young users seeking a reliable and stylish communication tool. Whether used for outdoor activities, travel, or simply as a fun accessory, these walkie-talkies offer a versatile and enjoyable communication experience for kids. 2. Looikoos Walkie-Talkies for Kids. The Looikoos Walkie-Talkies for Kids stand out as a practical and entertaining communication tool tailored for younger users. With their compact design and user-friendly features, these walkie-talkies offer a seamless communication experience for children aged 3 to 12 years. The set includes 3 walkie-talkies, each equipped with a built-in flashlight, lanyard, and hands-free Vox option. Designed with children in mind, the size and button layout are well suited for small hands, ensuring ease of use without compromising functionality for teens and parents. One of the notable features of the Looikoos walkie-talkies is their robust communication capability. Supporting up to 22 channels and 38 privacy codes, these devices offer clear and interference-free audio transmission, enhanced by the auto squelch function. The 3-kilometer range in open spaces ensures reliable communication coverage across various settings, from indoor activities to outdoor adventures in parks or trails. The inclusion of a built-in flashlight adds a practical element, aiding visibility in low-light conditions and enhancing safety during nighttime activities. Additionally, the walkie-talkies are equipped with drop protection and a key lock feature, ensuring durability and preventing accidental setting changes. Ergonomically designed, the walkie-talkies weigh only 80 grams, making them lightweight and easy to carry for children. Powered by 4 AAA battery, the devices are straightforward to operate, featuring a simple push-to-talk button and voice hands-free functionality for hands-free communication. A perfect gift for children, the Looikoos walkie-talkies offer an ideal blend of entertainment and practicality. Whether used for indoor games or outdoor adventures, these walkie-talkies foster communication, enhance parent-child interaction, and provide children with a sense of independence and responsibility. In summary, the Looikoos walkie-talkies for kids encapsulate functionality, durability, and entertainment, making them a valuable communication tool for young users. Their user-friendly design, coupled with advanced features, positions them as an excellent choice for parents seeking a reliable and engaging communication device for their children. Retevis RT628 Walkie-Talkies for Kids. The Retevis RT628 walkie-talkies for kids offer a blend of functionality and durability, making them an ideal communication tool for young adventurers. Designed to mimic professional walkie-talkies, these devices provide children with a sense of authenticity and excitement during their playtime or outdoor activities. Featuring 22 channels and 121 privacy codes, the Retevis RT628 ensures clear and secure communication, minimizing interference from other devices. The range of up to 1 kilometer provides ample coverage for neighborhood adventures, hiking trips, or indoor games, offering children the freedom to explore while staying connected. Designed with children's needs in mind, the Retevis RT628 boasts a range of user-friendly features. The locked feature prevents accidental channel changes, ensuring uninterrupted communication, while the backlit LCD display and low battery indicator provide clear visibility of the device's status. The inclusion of a non-slip handle and belt clip enhances portability, allowing children to carry the walkie-talkies with ease during their outdoor escapades. One standout feature of the Retevis RT628 is the headphone jack, enabling children to connect compatible headphones for private communication or to enjoy audio without disturbing others. The lightweight design, weighing only 79 grams, further enhances the device's suitability for children, ensuring comfortable use during extended play sessions. The Retevis RT628 walkie-talkies for kids encapsulate reliability, functionality, and entertainment, making them a valuable companion for young explorers. Whether used for imaginative play, outdoor adventures, or enhancing communication skills, these walkie-talkies offer a versatile and engaging experience for children aged 3 to 15 years.